In today's video, I'll show you how to search, download, and install 4 completely free car racing games on Steam. I'll show you guys how to do it. Open up Chrome and search Steam. Select the official site and select the install Steam option and select install Steam again and it will start downloading. Just tap the Steam setup and install it. After opening the Steam, you need to log in. If you doesn't have an account, then create a new one. Insert the store type the first game name ASPHALT and as you can see Aspect Legends. Just tap on it. Just scroll down. As you can see, free to play. Select the play game option and select the install option and it will start downloading. And and this is the first game. And the second one, TRACK Track Money. Yeah, Trackmania. This is the second game, free to play. Select the add to library if you doesn't want to play right now. And it has been added to library. The same way, this is a core game. You can write it. And the third game, you just need to type race room racing experience. Tap on the game. Scroll down. As you can see, it's also car racing game, free to play. Just tap on this add to library option and select OK and it has been added to library. And the final game is Disney 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 Speedstorm. Sorry, Disney Speedstorm. Here it is. And this is the final game. Looks so good as you can see. A tiny cars. Select the add to library option. Select OK. And after adding these games to libraries, tap on the library tab and on left side you can able to see all the core games we added. Whenever you want, you can just tap on the install option and install the game and play it whenever you like. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.